Oh, sandali, wait. Langaw.
Ako wala pa.
Ay, hindi na yung diresi niya eh. Kari mo.
Chicken wings po.
Tingnan mo dagat.
Thank you.
Kapabi.
Gumamit yung langaw mo.
Amerikano ah.
No? So we actually outsource a local artist para gawin yung ceiling installation, but we provided the curatorial concept of the entire art. Ito nilalagi ko silang tinis. Laki tayo. Ayan, so yung Kalukor, it's still a living tradition of the people in the coastal town of Lingayen. So yung mga fisher folks natin, itong ginagawa nila. They're the ones bringing the bounties of the sea to our table. Kaya ito naman, dedication namin ito for them, no? To highlight yung
Kalukor.
bayanihan spirit nila. Every time they do the kalukor, no? Ito yung nagpapakita ng lakas, no? Yung courage nila to, overcome the waves of the sea para makakuha ng isda for all of us, no? So usually nakaabang na yung mga asawa at mga anak nila para kunin yung isda, para yung mga banyera. And after that,
Karukor.
the people, no, who are coming into the beach area, nakaabang na rin sila to buy the fishes, the catch. So, ito ay gawa ni Architect Mark De Los Santos ng San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Okay, so for sale ito, it's 15,000. Yung meter, at least natuloy man lang. Yung parang yung workshops, wala na. Yun ang tinanggal. Okay, so,